I just got this Auto Air 20 Pro, the one with the 2 gears. I bought it from 2 Point store from Germany, and they delivered it to Copenhagen, Denmark in one day. But just be careful before ordering. Just it's better to confirm with them that they have the bike, because they normally, I think so, don't update their websites. So because like I ordered 2 bikes, but I got one because the other color they don't have it, and now they are telling me that it will take around a month to get the other one. So the packing was perfect, very good. Everything was in a good shape. So just a quick review. The tires, they are wide, but they are quite soft. Sort of, I don't know, nylon or what, but they obviously doesn't look like they are what do you say, puncture free, or yeah. So I don't think so they're puncture free, but they are quite wide, so like for the winters it will be okay. You can see the light. There is some problem with this open and lock of the shocks because it's not working. The battery is okay. I am checking for the total mileage, but I don't think so it is 100, even not close to 100 kilometer, what they say on their website. So one port is for charging, and other is like for the connection. This is the charging button, the belt, drive. The engine is quite good and strong, and I also have another very interesting technical problem, that this keeps on moving from here. So I don't know, are you able to see it or not? So it doesn't look fixed. So when I brake, the handlebar, it moves, and because it's a very long handlebar, not the bar like this stem, so it feels like it's going to break in any second. But otherwise the build quality looks quite fine. The display is okay because it has, I think so, it has a protector or something, so it doesn't look very bright, but yeah, it's okay. Here it's also good. Yeah, and seat is okay, comfortable, not very comfortable. Yeah, so looks good, but I'm just worried about this handle stem moving. I don't know if you can see it or not. So, and the other part is the battery, because I have been using like eco mode 2, and yeah, it's like not giving feel like it's not giving a good percentage of the battery. I charged it full, and now after around, now I just rode around 8 kilometers. This is the total kilometer, 8 kilometers, and you can see it's like sort of you can say 20% less. Yeah, so it has got this clip here. You can move the handlebar here. Here you can move the stem up and down. It's the handle lock. This is also the battery lock with the key system. Yep.